Hello friends and YouTube chess lovers, welcome to another video of the Mysterious Night. In this video, I am going to show you this interesting game between Vishwanathan Anand and Ian Nepomniachtchi, which was played in the FIDE-Chess.com Online Nations Cup. So that is going on right now online, and I think USA and China has already qualified for the super final. But this was the game between Vishwanathan Anand and Ian Nepomniachtchi. So here Vishwanathan Anand was playing with the white pieces. Here I want to just bring to your notice that currently Ian Nepomniachtchi is world number 5 player in terms of rating, and he is the Russian number 1 currently, and he's also like 29 to 30 years old, so that is a quite like he's playing at his peak right now. But Vishwanathan Anand, even at an age of 51, just outplayed him in a very nice manner. So that was threatening to watch such kind of a play from Vishwanathan Anand. This is probably Vishwanathan Anand's preparation for the World Chess Championship also. Like I'm doubting that is that. So we'll quickly start off with the game. So here Vishwanathan Anand started with the d4, that his favorite opening, and black replies with knight to f6. Okay, so then Vishwanathan Anand played c4, in which Nepomniachtchi replied with g6. So after knight to c3 and d5 was played, Anand accepted this d5 pawn, and Nepomniachtchi took it back with the knight. Here, bishop to d2 was played, and in reply, knight cross c3, bishop cross c3, and bishop to g7. So this is all standard, group and opening. So that is there. In this, white played e4, and in reply, black played c5. White pushed the pawn further with the d5, and bishop takes c3, b takes c3, and queen to d6. This is all the standard stuff of the opening. Here Anand choose the interesting move, that is queen to d2. So this is not the engine's first choice. I'll just start the engine to bring it to your notice. And this is not the engine's first choice, but it is okay, like it is playable move. After this, black simply castled, and white played f4. So f4 was played from the white, and black in turn replied e6. In this position, the like in the past also the same position has occurred in many of the grandmasters games. So in this, people are playing this move that is suggested by the engine, that is bishop to c4. So that is a very standard theory as on date, but not after this game for sure, because in this game Vishwanathan Anand played knight to f3, giving up that pawn on d5. So black simply captured the pawn on d5, and now Vishwanathan Anand played bishop to c4. So the idea is the pawn on d5 is pinned. Okay, so if white black cannot capture this, okay, obviously, because the queen is hanging. So the idea is to pin that pawn and give pressure to that pawn, so that you can capture that pawn and grab the center. So that is the idea. Here knight to f3 first was the mystery of this game, and you will see why that move is so important in the upcoming moves. So here Nepomniachtchi played a bishop to e6, that is the adding a defender to the d5 pawn. And in this position Vishwanathan Anand simply castled. Here also you cannot take, because the queen is still under attack. So Nepomniachtchi could have played the rook to d8, but that will be simply encountered by rook to d1, and the situation would be same for the black. Like here 1 2 3 4 attackers from the white, and black has 1 2 3 defenders, so that pawn is going to fall. So that is not the correct way to play. So black decided that why don't we push this pawn. Okay, so pawn to d4 was played. Here you please see the engines engines bar on the left side of your screen, that is rolling up and down. Engine is considering this as a equal position, but it is not actually, because here Vishwanathan Anand's bishop is under attack, that is on c4, and Vichy simply stunned everyone with the move fi. So engine shows that fi is losing, and then now you'll suddenly engine realize that it is obviously so winning. So, like, this move simply seals the deal up in this position, because black here is left with very less choices, because that bishop is under attack. So black has to retreat that bishop, or else to take that free bishop under c4, which is very tempting. So here black in the game took this bishop on c4, and then white simply replied with the e5, bam, thrashing the queen, so giving up rook also. But that is not the case, because obviously you cannot take rook, otherwise your queen will be gone. And so the game, because after you take rook, let's say white takes this, you have to retrieve your bishop, and then this move is coming, and it's all lost for the black. So in the game, black simply retreat the queen at queen to d7, and after f6, black resigned. This is the move 17, and black resigned the game. Beautiful, beautiful combination from the Vishwanathan Anand. I'll quickly go back to the position, and in this position, after bishop to c4, black could have played pawn to d4, and that is still the equal game, because now the ideas of this pawn push doesn't work, because uh, there is no bishop on the e6 square, which is under attack, and this will be simply a drawish position, I would say. So hope you like this video. Feel free to like and comment, and do subscribe for the support to the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.